Introducing the Blossoms of Encouragement Craft Your Life Project Kit with this beautiful large outline image and lots of wonderful sentiments. You'll also receive a 5-piece layering stencil set. There's also a 3D embossing folder. Now this does not match the stencils or the outline image. This is an accessory to add as detail or dimension in your background, but it will not match the stencil or the stamp set. As you can see, the stamp set is quite large. Here we have the die set that does match the stencil and the stamp set. It'll cut the outline image as well as the bolded words. We're going to have a look at the layering guide. First, we see 2 A2 card examples. If we open the flap on the back, we'll see all the supplies used to create those 2 cards. In the center, we're going to see a finished image with the inks listed. Those inks are also listed in the stencils as you move throughout the layering guide and your stencils. We'll begin blending on stencil 1, A1, with Volcano Lake ink. I'm taping my stencil into place with some satin masking tape. It would be good to have put 2 pieces of satin masking tape in, as my image is covering the entire ultra sticky mat. I'm now moving to A2 on stencil 1, and I'll be using Mountain Mist for the ink. I'm using a mini ink blending tool. Now we'll move to stencil number 2, B1, which is going to be Pink Pearl, and this will color in the first set of the petals on all of our flowers for this level. Next, we'll move to B2 on stencil 2 with the beautiful Coral Bliss. And this will finish the rest of the petals for those flowers. Now we'll do the flower centers on B3 stencil 2, and that is with Honey Drizzle. We'll move to stencil 3, A3, and we will be using Teal Cave. You can see I've switched my blending tool to the new micro blending brush, and that's the size 10. These work great on these smaller areas. I'll be using B4 on stencil number 3, and that will be with Coral Berry ink. Again, I'm using a size 10 micro blending brush for this step. Next, staying on stencil number 3, B5, we will align that and use Lemonade Stand to finish the flower centers. Now we'll move to stencil number 4, C1. We'll do the little berries in Teal Cave and in Coral Berry first. We will clean the stencil and I'll realign, and then we'll move on to the larger leaves, the smaller leaves, and some little buds on some stems. And this is all going to be with Grass Field. The micro blending brushes are great for small areas like this. Now we'll slide to C2 on stencil 4 and use Grass Field still. We will realign to C3 with Grass Field. C4 we will begin using Frayed Leaf. C5 we will use Frayed Leaf, and C6 we will use Frayed Leaf. And then finally we'll move on to stencil number 5. I'm going to use some satin masking tape to get that into place, and then I'm using again my micro blending brush with Shadow Creek. Anywhere that we previously added Grass Field, we will add Shadow Creek. And anywhere that we previously added in Frayed Leaf, we will add Forest Glades. I hope this video has been helpful in layering together your Craft Your Life project kit, Blossoms of Encouragement. Here is some inspiration from our amazing designers. To find out more about Craft Your Life Project Kit, Blossoms of Encouragement, and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.